Hi, two ways to add video to your course. One way is by using Screencast, and that just kind of highlights your computer screen and what you want to show to the students. The second is VoiceThread, which is free, and it's a way to increase engagement from your students by video or voice comments. I'm going to show you a couple pages of a VoiceThread that I've made, and everything that I do on my computer from Screencast will show to you as well. Hi, this is Casey Laughlin, and today we are going to go through this VoiceThread about preventing plagiarism, how to continue to educate our students on the principles of academic honesty and good writing, and also what to do when that doesn't work. For the VoiceThread, you'll see arrows on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. You can use that to click through the VoiceThread. Also, to add your comments or a text comment, you'll see the plus button towards the middle bottom part of the page, and you can use that to add your comment. Hi, one of the keys to a good VoiceThread is to introduce yourself. So I would love for you to add a video introduction to this thread, break out of your comfort zone, and share a little bit about yourself. Okay, so if I'm going to add a video comment, best practice is for me to show that to my students. I don't want to leave a text comment if I want them to leave a video comment. So make sure you are also doing what you want your students to do as well. So I am going to create a video comment. You can also do text. You can actually also call in by phone. And then this is just a voice comment. So I'm going to click the record a video comment. It's going to pop up and it's going to record everything that I say, which is nice, to kind of let your students know that you are human, engage with them, let them know that you are engaged in this course as well. So when you are using a video comment, down here at the bottom is also a pencil. So if you have a document or a quiz or something that you want the students to see or edit or make changes to, if you wanted to show them different ways to cite sources, you can create a document, you can add it here by this plus button, and then clicking on the pencil, you can click that and then draw or write or circle the correct answer or show how to cite or show how to do a math problem. Whatever you're needing for your course, it gives you that option. Which is why VoiceThread is nice, because the students can see what you are, circling, recording, whatever needs to happen. When you are done using your video comment, you're just going to click stop recording. It will upload, and then it will show up on the left-hand side, which is also how the students' comments will show. I'm going to click save. And the comment will show up over here. Students, when they leave their video comment or voice comment, it will show up as well. And you, as the instructor, and students can also reply to individual students where a new thread will be started, which gives you more positive, consistent feedback. This is a great option if you want to do discussion posts instead of having your topic and students writing out their post and responding to two others. This is a great way for to do the same thing but in a video format for more engagement and just a different way to get the information across for success.